gonna be unwrapping this table. This table, I got it over the Christmas holiday, but because I was so busy, I did not, unwrap it. So this table, I bought it because, it was reasonable price, and also it's foldable, for making my YouTube videos. If there's not enough space in your kitchen, and it's kind of like a center island. So, and I've always wanted a center island table. So now I'm gonna unwrap this table, and see, it folds at the side, so both sides come out. And I thought it was perfect for my YouTube. And guys, sometimes your thoughts goes out there. I'm thinking that I don't have a center island in my kitchen, and I would like one, and I got one. I got this at a reasonable price. It was worth it, and it's foldable, and there you go. So God answer prayers. He answer prayers, and he knows our thoughts. So now I'm gonna unwrap this. I can't wait to use it. So that's my nails. See, they're falling off one by one. I don't know how some people wear these nails. They're so awkward, and on all 10 fingers. How do women wear these nails? Let me unwrap this. So there it is, guys, and then it's foldable. So I'm just gonna, it has wheels. Let me open this. Foldable on both sides. So the other side, guys, has something like a cupboard that you just see. One side, it's so big, but I like it. It's good for my YouTube. So see, it has this cupboard that folds inside, and then I just open it for it to hold up the table itself. So when I saw this, I had to buy it. I had to buy it. Anywhere I get the money, from, I would have to find it and buy it. Because this is like a good buy, good price, and very helpful. So this piece, you would lift it up, and the table inside, and then this piece here, the table inside, I just pull it out. It folds in. When I'm putting it away, I would fold it back in. So there it is, and it holds it up. And this I had to unbox from over the Christmas. See, it's really huge. It is very big for my countertop. Fold away, because space is limited, so I like it. And God knows my thoughts, and he put it out there and show me that there's something out there for me too, that he knows that I need. So there's that piece, guys, in the middle, and then it folds back into this part, which is very useful. And I'm excited. I'm gonna sanitize it down. And there's my counter, because my countertop, there's not enough space, right, when I want to bake or do certain things. So this is very helpful. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a super day. So guys, I'm sanitizing the table with soap. Looking forward to using it. I really love this table. It's very wide, and you know, it's a space saver. Like, it doesn't take up space. All I have to do is just fold it away. So I am giving God thanks for putting this one out for Faithlyn. So guys, what I brought from Jamaica, I brought this bag. This is 150 Jamaican dollars, which is peanuts in Canadian, right? I bought that bag at that store, and because I needed a shopping bag. And then I bought this. So all that I'm showing you guys, there shouldn't be a problem if you want to take these things into the country. Okay, there are things like fish is fine, but meat they'll take from you and throw it away. Okay, yeah. And then I bought this Bliss twin pack. You know, we can get these things here, but Jamaica's, you know, products are different. And this wheat purity wheat raisin bread I like, I bought that. And I bought cornbread, and that's the same raisin bread, cornbread. And this is, I didn't want to buy too much, but this is cinnamon roll. And I also bought one with the jam in the middle, but I didn't bring out any up. I ate those. And then this is mint that was picked fresh, man. It's dried, and there it is. Looking forward to making mint tea. This is aloe vera. Look how much I wrapped it in a paper because I know it's runny and stainy. They didn't give me a problem bringing this through. Customs didn't. You know, so that's the aloe vera. I could have brought more, but I wasn't sure if I would be, you know, able to. So, but this is fine. I wanted to, you know, like do facial and what have you. And then this is sugar cane. It is so sweet, and it's really sweet and juicy. And this is lemongrass, and this is what kind of leaf is this? Is it soursop? I think. Yeah, I think it's soursop leaf and lemongrass. Good to make tea. And guys, this I'm telling you, I tell you in Jamaican language, like these black apples, I can't wait to get them down into them. Okay. And then this is my breadfruit. I'm hoping it's good. I didn't roast any breadfruit, okay? I did not roast any breadfruit, but I bought this one, and let's see how good it is. I bought it at the same place where the guys asked me, like, you know, on the jackfruit. You know, on the jackfruit, that kind of thing. He was saying he wanted me to put it on YouTube. And he was saying that he never been overseas before, and you know, he would want to go and stuff like that. So those are the things I bought. And oh, I'm forgetting bun. And guys, I don't even know why I bought this bun, because like my luggage was 5 pounds overweight, and because I had, you know, the girl was trying to, like, on what Caribbean Airlines, we had to download a ArriveCan app. And then that app, I set up the account and, you know, created an account and put email and password. Tell me it's wrong email and password, and she's telling me that you know, I have to be able to sign in, which is nonsense, because she herself couldn't even sign in. It took forever. And by the time she finished with me at the front of the Caribbean airline counter, you know, like, she couldn't bother to, she wouldn't even worry about the wait. She didn't bother to worry about the wait, and I'm glad. 5 bun over which I'm not bringing back no more bun. Okay, because I could get bun to buy here, but yeah, those are the things I bought, guys. At least these are some of the things you can buy, you know, you can carry into the country and they don't have a problem with. But if it comes to meat, they'll take it away. Even though some people, you know, lie and still bring the meat and they bring their patty and meatloaf and whatever, you they tell a lie. But you know, if you get caught, you can be in big trouble. So, and that's when you declare your stuff. Yeah, so I bought these things and yeah, like these are the things you can buy. I mean, in Jamaica and not really worry about, our customs won't harass you or take and throw away. Like pastry is fine, and you know, fruits and the roast breadfruit. If you have fried fish, they won't bother you. And you know, you tell them what kind of plant you're carrying in or what. I told them sugarcane, aloe vera, and you know, it'll be fine. But if it comes to meat, yeah, they're gonna take it away, as well as they can have the dog sniff. You know, and if you lie and they find out that you're lying, they'll probably have a dog come over and sniff it, and then you'll be in big trouble and it's penalty. So it's good to, you know, tell them what you have and declare it. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, you know, share the video with family and friends, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, you know. And I have lots of videos put up, whether they're old videos or not. Like, go back and watch and, you know, help me to get to 1,000 subscriber, guys. I want to get my channel monetized. So guys, this is the yes zone. Like, pastry is fine, they won't bother you the pastry. Okay, so you don't have to worry. But I would say, guys, don't worry about it. Just eat, you know, eat your patty and meatloaf in Jamaica. Don't bother with the hassling of customs and what have you. Yeah, that would be my advice. And bring in what's allowed then. So guys, this is the Jamaican apple. Okay. You cut it. And there's a seed in it. And this is what you eat. And that's the seed. You de-seed it. Guys, all my nails are falling off. The more they fall off, the better I'm able to handle my hands. I don't know how, you know, these women like handle these long nails. But anyways, yeah, only 2 is left. So that's the apple, and then you bite into it. It's really sweet. You chew it up. Eat everything. Eat everything. You know, except the seed. That's what we call or apple. That's what or apple looks like in Jamaica. I don't know if you know it by another name, but yeah, Jamaican apple.